All right, today I have a Volkswagen Atlas, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hazard lights, also called the flasher lights or your flashers. I'm going to show you how to turn them on and off. They're also called emergency lights too. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of my Volkswagen Atlas. In order to turn on and off the hazard lights or the emergency lights or the flashers, whatever you want to call them, you're going to go ahead and look towards the center console. And you see this button in the center console. This right here is the hazard lights button, or called the flashers buttons or emergency light button. I'm going to go ahead and press that. And when I press that, if you look on the instrument panel, on either side, there is flashing lights. And that's indicative that the flashers or emergency lights are on when they're blinking like that. In order to turn them off, what I'll do is I'll come down here and you see the same button that I pressed. I'll press this and look at that. The flashers have turned off just like that. That is how you turn on and off the hazard flashers, the emergency lights in this particular Volkswagen Atlas. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.